Shalom friends! Sa akin lahat, another short sharing from the heart. Guys, have you ever wondered why sometimes God asks us to move kahit na pakiramdam natin di pa tayo ready? Alam mo, imagine mo yung sarili mo na nasa isang mahabang daan ka na sobrang dilim, count out, walang mga posting may ilaw. And all you have is this small flashlight na maliit na di baterya. Pero kailangan mo makauwi ng bahay mo at walang sasakyan, naglalakad ka lang. Di ba pag kayo flashlight na maliit at sa sobrang darkness ang makikita mo lang yung step na nandun sa harapan mo, maybe 2-3 steps ahead or a few steps ahead. Pero ang totoo, hindi mo makita yung buong daan. And most of the time, pag nandun tayo sa posisyon na yun, natatakot tayo, gusto natin makita yung buong daan para we feel safe, para alam natin na ano yung pupuntahan natin. Imagine mo itong sitwasyon na to na sample na binigay ko sa'yo. Guys, alam mo, life is like that. Yung journey mo, hindi mo makikita ng buo. Pero kadalasan gusto natin siyang makita ng buo. Sometimes, alam mo, si God will only show you the next step. Hindi yung buong journey ng buhay natin. Tulad nga ng naalala ko sabi sa Bible, di ba? We live by faith, not by sight. Di ba? That means, faith is trusting even when the full picture is not there yet or hindi mo pa nakikita or unclear. Kasi sa panahon ngayon, maraming tao, dinedelay nila yung pangarap nila. They are waiting for that perfect timing, that perfect condition na gusto ko, dapat maayos muna yung work ko, maayos muna yung family ko. Kasi gusto nila sigurado sila. But you know what? Growth often starts when you finally decide to move despite of uncertainty or fear or takot mo. Guys, in business, in family, or in life, there will always be uncertainty. There will always be challenges. But I'll tell you, confidence grows when your faith grows. You know, you may not see the whole future today, but you stay disciplined, faithful, and, obedient and purposeful. Guys, maniwala ka dito. Each step will eventually lead you kung saan ka talaga dinadala ng tadhana. And I know you have a bright future. So stop waiting for that perfect moment, perfect clarity. Guys, just take action. That's the secret. Diba? Yeah, guys, I want to encourage all of you. Keep praying, keep moving, keep believing. Because sometimes, nung next step mo, na hindi mo tinitake, is the only step na kailangan mo i-take kasi lahat ng ibang step, God will do the rest.